Okay, so your new skincare is making you break out. Is that a good thing or a really bad thing?
We've all been there, right? You get a new product, you're hoping for that glow up, and boom, breakouts.
So what's the deal? Is this a good sign, called purging, or just a flat-out bad reaction?
Purging is basically an eviction notice for all the gunk already under your skin. It means it's working.
So, how can you tell what's actually going on? There are 4 clear signs. Let's break them down. First up, location. Purging happens where you always get pimples. A breakout pops up somewhere totally new.
Next, what do they look like? Purging pimples are usually small and they disappear fast. Breakouts, not so much.
And if your whole face is also red, itchy, or just plain irritated, yeah, that's a huge red flag.
All right, this part's super important. Only these types of ingredients, the ones that speed up cell turnover, cause purging.
So if a new sunscreen or moisturizer is the culprit, that is never purging. That's a breakout, period.
And the final, most definitive clue? Well, it all comes down to time. Let's talk about the 8-week rule.
A real purge has a pretty predictable timeline. It'll get worse for a bit, then way better.
But here's the bottom line. If things aren't clearing up after 8 weeks, you can be sure it is not purging.
Okay, so you've figured it out. Now what do you do? Here's the game plan for each scenario.
If it's just purging, you gotta hang in there. Just use the product less often and be patient.
But if it's a breakout, the answer's easy. Stop using that product right now. Just go back to basics.
All right, so next time your skin freaks out over a new product, what are you gonna do?
Just run down this quick checklist: location, appearance, ingredient, and timeline. Your skin will tell you the answer.
And hey, if you're still not sure, just snap a quick photo every day. The pattern will become crystal clear.